So I noticed a very interesting parallel between Kaido and Oden. Spoilers for the Wano arc if you haven't finished it yet. But in the past, when Kaido was putting Oden on trial, as it were, he had him hold up his homies while he burned in a pot of hot boiling oil. And then, of course, Oden says the line, Oden was meant to boil. This is a very tragic pun in reference to his namesake being a actual dish, as Oden is a traditional Japanese hot pot, a soup of sorts, a stew that is prepared with tofu, eggs, fish, etc. Right? So he is boiling like the ingredients in the hot pot. That's the whole pun. Then, of course, Kaido shoots him in the head with his pistol. What is interesting about this is that Kaido meets the same fate almost beat for beat, because Kaido is the user of the fish fruit model Azure Dragon. Therefore, technically, he is not a dragon, he is a fish. When he is defeated by Luffy, he is punched in the head via an attack called Bajrang Gun and is sent plummeting into the earth within an active volcano, which then erupts. How does this relate back to the dish of Oden and then the death of Oden the character? Well, like Kaido, Oden was meant to boil because a very prominent ingredient in Oden, the hot pot, is fish. So, in literally being a fish, because he ate the fish fruit model Azure Dragon, he was meant to boil in the metaphorical hot pot that is the volcano. Additionally, like Oden, he too was shot in the head with a gun. However, this is a very metaphorical gun because most of Luffy's attacks are called gun, and Luffy punches him in the face so hard that he breaks one of his horns and then sends him plummeting down into the volcano. What's also a very interesting twist to this is that Kaido's final attack is him coating himself in fire. So in an odd way, it's almost as if he was cooking himself to be prepared to be placed in the volcano, which is the metaphorical hot pot. I find that so funny and interesting. But with that being said, give me your thoughts and tell your friends about Polypede. What?